Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect FXCM to TradingView. By the end, you'll have your FXCM account linked inside TradingView so you can view quotes and trade directly from the chart. Start by opening your web browser and going to tradingview.com. TradingView works best on a modern browser, so make sure yours is up to date. If you already have a TradingView account, it helps to be signed in before you continue, since connecting a broker requires an authenticated session. At the top of the TradingView homepage, look for the main navigation bar and click Product. This opens a menu with all of TradingView's tools. From that menu, choose Supercharts. This is the full-featured charting interface where broker connections live and where you'll place and manage trades once connected. When the chart loads, move to the top right corner and click Trade. This opens the trading panel, which is designed to host connections to supported brokers. If you don't immediately see FXCM listed, no problem. Click Show All Brokers to expand the full catalog. This view makes it easy to compare options and find the exact integration you need. Now look for FXCM in the list. You can scroll to find it or use the search field if one is available. Availability can vary by region and account type. So if you don't see FXCM, double-check your TradingView market settings or ensure your account supports broker connections. Once you've found FXCM, click it to open the connection card. Here you'll see a brief description and a button to proceed. Click Connect. TradingView will open a secure FXCM authorization window. Follow the prompts there to authenticate your account. Your credentials are handled by FXCM's secure system, not TradingView, which helps protect your information. If you have both a live and a demo account, you'll typically be able to choose which one to connect. If a login window doesn't appear, make sure pop-ups aren't blocked and that third-party cookies are allowed for this site. After a successful sign-in, the trading panel should show FXCM as connected, often with your account identifier, balance, and connection status. You can confirm by looking for a green or active indicator next to FXCM. If your current chart symbol isn't supported by FXCM, switch to a currency pair or instrument that is, and you should see live pricing and an enabled trading ticket. That's it. Your FXCM connection to TradingView is ready. Keep your platform updated, and if you ever need to reconnect, return to the trade panel and repeat these steps.